have a beautiful, lovely lady. Earlier, I did describe her as, you know, Dora all grown up. And I think she should like that because she's way more. The lovely Yola said hi to the people there.
Hey guys, I'm Yola Moy.
So should they are going in the center and beer things, or earlier should have put panty on boy face. But I'm sure you'll see that video in some point in time. Well, alright now, so we're going to decide that challenge. You're keen on what we're going to do, right?
Yeah.
Where I'm going to give her 2 options and then she'll have to, you know, select which one she prefer. So I'm going to kickstart things. Alright? Jennifer Lopez or Shakira?
That's a hard choice. I like both.
Two of them are going to perform at the Super Bowl next year. Make a decision.
I'd say J-Lo.
Why?
Because she's more versatile. Like,
Yeah, true.
She acts, she sings, she dances, everything.
Kind of like you.
Yeah. Like me.
Yeah. Alright, so yeah, give me one now.
Alright.
You can't take your phone in the whole one. Because like you drop down so you can't take one.
Jeans or sweats?
This is how we call sweats, right?
Yeah.
Jeans, I prefer jeans though.
Okay.
Some about jeans, they just make you look like you dress up but you don't really dress up.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like jeans. What you say?
I said jeans. I wear jeans everywhere.
Okay. You know, when the jeans now, the legs them are hot. Alright, next one. Fridays or Saturdays?
Fridays or Saturdays?
Fridays or Saturdays. Which one of the day them you prefer?
Fridays.
Why?
Because it's like Fridays you're looking forward to the weekend. Saturdays like it almost over.
Oh yeah, I never think about it like that. Saturday I normally like because you're free and can up and down and all them because something. Yeah, give me one now.
Okay. Curry goat or chicken?
Curry goat or
Curry goat or
no, chicken. Or curry goat or curry chicken?
yeah.
Curry goat, because I want to rear something. I really have the curry goat very often, but when I do, I shell it down like if you make sure I'll oxtail. Oh, I need to swallow the bubblegum a while ago. Oh my god.
Same.
Yo, a while ago, I need to swallow the bubblegum a while ago. Behave yourself. Behave yourself, yard man. Oh, my turn?
Yeah.
Okay. Dark skin guys or light skin guys? Yeah, come on, know the youth them a look on this and them a listen out right now.
That's hard for me to say because currently my current boyfriend is light skinned.
So we're gonna scrap out that part because people
I
want
used
to
to love dark skin.
Oh, so you're equal opportunity.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh god, I just want to make sure. Give me one next one.
Alright, so Ariana Grande or Kelani?
Alright, here's the thing. I realized that there's an artist named Kalani where well people talk about and apparently she's going with a bag of things. I should have wanted to breed for the something and like shit. Yeah, alright, confusing some situation. But I don't really follow up her music, so I'm gonna say Ariana. I can't name one song Kalani sing. Is that bad?
Are you down to be my distraction, baby? But don't distract me. You don't know that song?
No,
Oh my
What
god.
else?
Alright, we're taking him out.
I don't know it.
Take him
I'm gonna know it.
partying.
I'm sorry. Alright, next one. G-string.
Seriously.
The little ponder up on the, the little situation.
I'd say neither.
Oh, neither. So you prefer for just caw.
Yeah, most of the time.
Wow.
But
Wow.
no,
Okay.
if I was to choose,
Prefer to be free like public
pondering-
Wi-Fi. Okay, that's nice.
No, because it's the underwear is tight, so
Mhm,
it would me feel like I
That restrict you and all kind of stuff like that. Okay, one next one.
Alright, Hellshaw or Fort Clarence?
Oh, come on. Everybody knows that. When that get off both mention Elsha. Fort Clarence. You prefer Elsha?
No, Fort Clarence.
Exactly. People only go Elsha for God. Do you know that
No,
there?
people only go to Hellshaw to eat food.
No,
Oh,
people
that
go there.
don't
No,
think-
you know. Don't go like you don't know the people sex at
I don't
Elsha.
know about that.
Okay. Wait until the next one. I'm going to ask you.
That's your turn.
Okay, it's my turn. Doing it at home or outside of the home?
Hope Gardens.
What you say, yard man? Hope garden. And that's how you do your eatings.
Are you near apprentice?
At
Alright.
home or out of the home?
You know why I'm going to choose at home? Because
I thought, no, I'm see music video with your dance and beer things and all kind of Sasha Fierce personality. I know you're going to say at home.
Alright,
Okay, why is the excuse?
Okay.
Why? Mm-hmm.
I feel like even though I look young, I feel like I have an old soul now. I've been through so much being in music. So I feel like before 4 years ago, I would have probably said outside of the home, but at home you can just be free and do
Yeah,
more
na for
things
bona
and-
ants and mosquitoes.
Exactly.
Yeah, and people are
Exactly.
watching them
Right.
somewhere. Okay, I understand. Okay, so give me a last one now.
Alright, leather or camo?
You don't say don't own no camouflage on. I'm gonna think I like me have leather shoes.
Yeah, I tell. The Yardman shirt. Cut it.
Wow. Oh no, one part on the Yardman shirt after something. So I would say camouflage. Come and think of one rating. I'm gonna really love like actually sporting more.
Okay.
Alright, so your final one.
It's me just ask you one.
Oh, you just asked me one?
Yeah.
Yeah, so my turn now. Alright, no, okay, I was gonna be inappropriate a while ago, but then I have to just kind of dial it back. Alright, so what would you say? Makeup or no makeup?
You see, my answer would be different like 4 years ago.
So who is this new? Who is
Like,
this new version
now
of you?
I'd say no makeup. But before, like, my face used to have on bare a lot of bumps and all kind of stuff. So I'd like never leave the house without makeup. But now my face is in order, so I feel like I look better without makeup.
Okay, so you're not one of them girls who
It's
just like filter
with
yourself.
makeup, I look like I have a resting bitch face. Like I look.
That's what you hear people tell you on the road say you have a look like you have
No,
a
even
resting.
like when how people react.
Alright, so let me
when I
just say
have
regular
makeup.
face. Like, if I go out on the road now, you're just there in a restaurant now, you wait by your friend, you're at the table by yourself. Let me say exactly. You just step by your face, just step on your phone and you look at wait for your friend, go like, what's your face?
What's my face?
Yeah,
My
like
face
this-
is like this, but
When I see
with
the rest-
makeup,
yeah.
with makeup, because of the makeup make your face, I don't know, it just make your face look more.
But it's okay if I accept maybe you have a
Make
little
you look
inner
like a
rest-
diva.
But nothing wrong. If you have a little diva, not just so you stay. And then everybody must can approach you.
Yeah, but without makeup, people take it different. Them just think you're down to earth. But when you have a makeup now, it just look extra. Everything just look extra.
You seem like a sweet girl. The operative word is seem.
I am a sweet girl.
No, I feel like you have a different side. Like you have a different side. People, you should go on YouTube and look up our video them. And you see all of this little quiet, little humble, meek and mild demeanor. There is something else totally there. See the little eye there? The eye there? And there are probably certain people who know that she has a diva side inside her. So don't make this little calm, subtle demeanor fool you. Okay? You see that? You give it a little sweet innocent, like, it's a box cover.
Box cover.
You see that? Can you say anything and sound like not like as Milka said? Can you say Ross?
Ras.
Oh, Jesus crime.
No, I can do it, you know, if I'm acting.
But you sound, let me say like there's you sound like you have a natural, just like sweet, innocent girl. So you
No,
tell me say
because
it.
okay.
Yeah, you tell me
Do
say
you
you have
know
a
that the
inner.
sweetest people make the baddest people?
That is the exact thing of me. I
No,
say
no.
like me know say you have a different side inside somewhere.
Right, so I don't need to act bad because I know what is what.
Okay,
is
so you're
it.
fully bad. Sir, no. Sir.
So,
Well, that is it for my this or that. Tell people them where them can find you.
Alright, you can find me on Instagram at Yola from Jamaica, Facebook Yola Moy,
Just in case they want confused are from
and
Yola from
YouTube.
Cuba.
Check out my video, guys. Like and subscribe to my channel.
You'll see our splitting going up on our head up on all of these things and you'll be very
Nice.
surprised.
Oh.
You have an ability where you can
Or
look like.
catch me in King of the Dancehall as the pink hair girl.
So they're say learning moves them already have them from a long time.
Have them from birth.
Okay, tell the people them bye. And for all of the men them right now where I get very thirsty, salivating. This lady, she's off the market. Probably. I don't know. If the prayers get answered, maybe she's free by Christmas.
At Jamaica, they're good there. They're no business.
What is the business? So you go to her DMs, do not send her any out of the picture. Look for her video them and give her strength and these things and follow her too. Peace out. Say bye.
Bye.